Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Stock Market News and Views, brought to you by Ray Financial. Today is Saturday, September 1st, 2012. So what I have in front of you is the market analysis report for the month of August. Before I go ahead and give out my analysis for September, I just want to show you how these reports actually help our members make better trading decisions. So in August, we thought that Nifty would be range bound between 5050 and 5350. In case the market would witness a lot of buying pressure, this could push the market up to 5450 or 5500, from where it would correct about 100 to 150 points in the last week, because options expiration is pretty volatile. Now I just want to show you how it took place. This is the Nifty chart, and the high was 5448 for the month of August. I will mark out the levels that I thought Nifty would trade in. Now this is 5050, that's 5050, and 5350 was where I thought it would trade. If it broke, like I said, if the market witnessed more buying pressure, it will break and trade around 5500, which is a very strong resistance between this. So surprisingly, yes, the market did trade up till 5448, and from there it corrected about 100 to 150 points as I thought, and I gave that out way in advance, a month in advance, to my members. So what I'm trying to show you is that just stick to our levels, stick to our report. If you follow our strategy, then we have 80% chances of winning all trades and 20% losing. So now for September, this market is a little volatile because yesterday, that was Friday, the Fed did come up and Bernanke gave out a kind of a positive, neutral to positive speech, saying that if the market needed any kind of easing, the government would be ready to help it. Not exactly dictating or announcing another QE3 quantitative easing, but on those words, the market did rally. Dow went up to about 110 odd points, but it closed 90 points on the green. And let's see how things pan out, because this week we have the ECB and the EU meeting up to decide whether to buy more bonds and how to bail out the whole European crisis. That's a very important meeting for September. Just going to give you out my markings, and let's see how it happens. I'll just draw that for you. Excuse me. So let's start from the basic. We could definitely test this high, which was the August high. We have this particular gap fill, which is still not filled. If you notice, the market gapped out from here. So 5215 is a good resistance. This was another gap, and this is a very, very strong support area, which is 5050. If this breaks, we could probably see the market come down again back to the lows, which is 4800. I mean, you never know what can happen, what news could really drive these markets. But for right now, I would definitely rule out these as my really strong points of trading. So this is the current support, which is, I think, 5215, a very strong support area, and 5050 is the crucial support area. On the upside, we could test back the highs of August. If we are to go further, then 5500, and then still further, I think this is the 560 mark, or 5600 some points. So these are the really crucial areas. I feel the market will trade range bound. I don't know what direction it will exactly head in, but as of right now, we are in a kind of uptrend. If I would just zoom the chart out, let me just zoom this out for you. So if you see from the lows of October 2008 and just connect the low pivots. You see, this is a clear uptrend. The markets did fall for almost a year. It touched the uptrend line, went up, down, went up, down, going up. So right now we are still in an uptrend. You see the price is still trading above the moving averages. 200 is the white line, the orange one is E89, and green is S20. So let's just see what happens. I'm not going to be taking any major positions in the first week, because believe me, the market is just going to be really choppy. I would rather recommend doing some option strategies like an iron condor, where you're like basically betting yourself that the market will be range bound, and based on time decay you would definitely make some money. So let me also show you how much our traders profited from the August report. So this is basically our portfolio performance. Sorry, this is actually August. I need to pull up the September. Keep in mind the September report is already out, and I have already given out to my members. They have all the recommendations and tips that you guys look out for. So this was a performance. Our first stock, Ambuja, yeah, it took a hit. We lost about 4%. Canara Bank, we made about 20 points. I'm sorry, Ambuja, we lost about 2.2%. HCL was another bad recommendation that did not go right. And we have Infosys, which was a really good one. Actually Infosys landed up going all the way to 2400, so it was a little difficult to capture the whole move, but being done that, we made about 6.82% and 7.95 on R Power. Keep in mind, R Power is weak stock. I feel it can go down to 70, 72 area. So those guys who are still looking for some intraday trading, you can look on to R Power, Reliance Infra. There are many out there right now. You could go even long on Union Bank. You can check the stock and see. Anyways, that's it for right now. I hope this video was helpful for you guys who want to be a part of this elite trading group. Just simply log on to www.rayfinancial.co.in and fill out the details in the customer service section, or you can simply email us at info@rayfinancial.co.in. Anyways, it was nice to see you guys giving out some shouts on money control, and I'll just keep updating you guys with my latest recommendations. And thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you guys again on Monday. Bye.